What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this video, which is pretty exciting, I think. We're doing a video on Assemble Protocol again, or ASM, which it's been a really long time since we did an analysis on ASM. Back when it first got released on Coinbase, I analyzed it a lot, and I also bought some ASM at around, I think at around 7 cents, which as of right now, you might say like, well, that would be a very stupid buy, and you're down 50%. But I think you all know, everybody watching this, I think you all also bought ASM back here, and I actually bought it here in that dip. So not 7 cents, 8 cents. So right now that the remaining part of my position is down more than 50%, but I sold some up here. I sold some at 17 cents. So my losses are like there. With that move, I already covered the whole position. So the position is down now. I still hold ASM, just a full disclosure, but still it's still I do really believe in the project. I think it's a great project. It has real use cases. That's also what it said then. I think there's less inflation now. I mean, if we check out this, actually does look like there's some inflation, but already like 74% of the supply is already in circulation. So I think that's great. And long term, I will definitely keep holding Assemble Protocol. So the thing is that it's like I think it's a project from Korea, and sometimes the information flow from Asian projects towards Western investors is a little bit slow, but still I researched the project, I believe in it, and I love to see it bullish like this again. Volume up to 13 million, well, it was around 1 million over the last 7 days at least. Yeah, even under a million, wow. But yeah, let's get right into the analysis, which is a little bit less bullish. Everything I just talked about is more for the long term, but short term, I mean, we had this move all the way up to 4.5 cents, which I think was great. But as you can see from the wicks, this level is really exhausted, or not necessarily this level, but the buyer pressure is definitely exhausted. Found resistance there 3 times, then found resistance here around 4 cents more, and now we are dropping down. So I think we can actually find some more support off of this 3 cents level. We're already, when I did the analysis, you could see that we're already finding some support off of this trend line, which I am going to delete. I don't like trend lines like these. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I don't like those. I think it is more likely that we'll drop down to 3 cents. Find some support there. That could actually be enough support for a couple of days, but afterwards, I do expect us to drop down to this level here around 2.5 cents, and then for more of the long term, so for the next week, I think we'll just be consolidating in anywhere in this level, so between like 3.5, 3.7 cents and 2.25 cents. It's unclear to me right now where we'll be consolidating. That's mainly because the price of ASM, when the volume actually drops down again, I mean, it's just look at this price. It's very difficult to analyze coins with low volume, because the price just moves around. So I think we'll consolidate. I think this 2 cent level was strong enough to actually propel us up here and consolidate a little bit higher. For the long term though, I don't know if that consolidation could hold. So obviously I hope that we'll get some more moves like these, heading all the way up to 6 cents, of course, but I don't think that'll be happening. So this is just my realistic take on ASM for the short term price wise, and for the long term more fundamentally. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said about ASM, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.